this video is for you if you are looking for free tools and resources to start and scale your e-commerce business. Starting an e-commerce business can feel like a daunting task, especially if you are working with a limited budget. The good news is that launching an online store doesn't have to drain your finances. Thanks to a variety of free tools and resources available today, you can set up and manage your e-commerce store with minimal to no upfront costs. So in this video, I'll be showing you some free tools and resources that you can use in order to start your e-commerce business without having to worry about high budget. Without wasting further time, let's get started. Now let's dive into the various tools and resources that can help you start and scale your e-commerce business. For this, we'll be considering 5 major free resources. The first free resource on my list is setting up your online store. The foundation of any e-commerce business is your online store. You don't need to spend a fortune on web developers or designers to get your store up and running. With free tools and resources, you can build a professional looking store that is easy to manage and scale. One of these free resources you can use is Shopify's free trial. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, and it offers a 14-day free trial that lets you build your store without any upfront investment. During the trial period, you can test all of Shopify's essential features, including product listing, payment gateways, and store customization options. It's a great way to experiment with the platform and get your store live before committing to any paid plans. Once your trial ends, you can opt for one of Shopify's affordable pricing plans based on the size of your store and revenue. However, by the time your trial ends, you should have a fully functioning store with products listed and ready for customers to make purchases. The second free resource to set up your online store is WooCommerce for WordPress. For those familiar with WordPress, WooCommerce is a free plugin that turns your WordPress site into a full-fledged e-commerce store. WooCommerce provides you with everything to sell online, including customizable product pages, various payment gateways, shipping options, and inventory management tools. The benefit of WooCommerce is that it is open source and free to use. The only thing you need to pay for is a domain name and a web hosting, which is a standard for every website. With affordable hosting provided like Hostinger, you can get started with only $3 per month. I'll leave a link to Hostinger in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out. I'll also display my coupon code right here, which you can use in order to get additional 10% discount from Hostinger. Here's a pro tip when using WooCommerce. When using WooCommerce, be sure to leverage the thousands of free themes available in WordPress to give your store a professional look without the need for a web designer. If you want to create your very own online store using WooCommerce, I have a video link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how you can create your very own e-commerce website. Next on our list, when looking for free tools and resources for your e-commerce store, is design and branding. Your brand's visual identity is a critical part of making a strong first impression on potential customers. Luckily, you don't need a graphic design degree or expensive software to create eye-catching logos, banners, or images. You can use a free platform like Canva for your designs. Canva is a free online design tool that has revolutionized how small businesses create branding materials. Whether you need a logo, social media graphics, or promotional banners, Canva offers a drag and drop editor with thousands of pre-designed templates. You can easily customize these templates to fit your brand style, even if you have no design experience. It should be noted that Canva has a free version and also a paid version. And with the free version of Canva, you can get access to a variety of resources, including logo design templates, social media post templates, marketing banners, presentation slides, infographics, and more. You can also export your design with high resolution, making it easy to integrate them into your website or social media campaigns. You can also use free logo creation tools for your branding. If you want to focus specifically on logo creation, there are dedicated free tools like Hashful by Shopify that lets you design and download logos for free. These tools guide you through the process by asking for your business name, industry, and preferred style, and then generating several logo options based on your input. Now, a pro tip for creating a logo for your online store. When creating your logo and other branding materials, maintain consistency in your color schemes and fonts. This will help you build brand recognition over time. Next free resource for your e-commerce business is free images and product listings. High quality visuals are essential for capturing your audience's attention and creating a professional looking online store. Fortunately, there are free resources available that allow you to use stunning images without paying for stock photos. Some of these free resources are Pexels and Unsplash. Both Pexels and Unsplash are free platforms that offer an extensive collection of high-resolution stock images, which you can use for your product listings, blog posts, and marketing materials. Whether you are selling apparels, home goods, or digital products, these platforms provide a variety of images that fit various industries and styles. Using these free resources for product images can significantly enhance the appeal of your store without the need to hire a professional photographer or invest in costly photo shoots. You can also use DIY product photography if you are looking for images for your online store. If you want to showcase your own products but don't have a professional camera, you can take high quality photos using your smartphone. Many modern smartphones have excellent cameras, and with a bit of attention to lighting and composition, you can produce product images that looks professional. Let's take a look at some tips for DIY product photography. 1. Use natural lights whenever possible, such as by positioning products near a window. 2. Shoot against a clean, neutral background to avoid distractions. And 3. Experiment with different angles and close-ups to highlight product details. The next free resource for your online business is by using dropshipping and print-on-demand solutions. One of the biggest challenges for new e-commerce entrepreneurs is handling inventory. Fortunately, dropshipping and print-on-demand services provide an inventory-free business model, allowing you to sell products without having to manage stock or deal with shipping logistics. Now let's take a look at dropshipping with Obelo. Obelo is a dropshipping platform that integrates seamlessly with Shopify. It allows you to add products to your store from a variety of suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier fulfills and ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory. With Obelo's free starter plan, you can browse and add thousands of products from suppliers around the world. You can also automate order fulfillment, so you don't have to manually process every order. You can even keep track of inventory levels and shipping details. Dropshipping is an excellent model for those just starting out because it allows you to test different product categories without the financial risk of buying inventory in advance. Now let's take a look at print-on-demand with Printful and Teespring. Print-on-demand services like Printful and Teespring enable you to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. With these platforms, you only pay for the product when a customer makes a purchase. The print-on-demand service handles production and shipping, freeing you up to focus on marketing and sales. This business model is ideal for anyone looking to start an online store with a custom product line, as you can design your own merchandise without needing to worry about production logistics. A pro tip: you can use Canva or similar design tools to create unique product designs that resonate with your target audience. You see that I'm whispering on this one. It's just a pro tip for you. Yes, for you. That is you watching me right now. Now it's time to market your e-commerce store for free, and that is the final tool on my list. Once your store is live, the next step is to attract customers. While paid advertising can drive quick traffic, there are several free marketing strategies that can help you to grow your business organically. One of such free platforms is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or Facebook are great avenues for promoting your products and building an audience. Creating business accounts on these platforms are free, and you can use them to showcase your products, run promotions, and engage with potential customers. To maximize the effectiveness of your social media marketing, consider the following tips. 1. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged. 2. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. And 3. Collaborate with micro-influencers or run giveaways to generate buzz around your brand. The next free resource to promote your online store is by using email marketing with ConvertKit. It's one of the most effective ways to drive sales. With free tools like ConvertKit, you can start collecting email addresses from your website visitors and sending them newsletters, promotional offers, and product updates. ConvertKit offers a free plan that allows you to send unlimited number of emails per month to a list of up to 10,000 subscribers. As your business grows, email marketing can be a powerful tool for driving repeat purchases and nurturing customer relationships. And there you have it on the free tools and resources for your e-commerce success. To conclude, starting an e-commerce business without a large budget is entirely possible thanks to many free tools and resources available today. From setting up your store on platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce to designing a professional brand with Canva and using dropshipping and print-on-demand services to manage logistics, there's no shortage of options to get your business off the ground for free. With a little creativity and effort, you can build a successful online store without spending a fortune upfront. As you start generating revenue, you can reinvest in your business, exploring paid tools and strategies to help you scale. Now that you are armed with all these free resources and tools, it's time to take action and bring your e-commerce dreams to life. To access all the free resources I've mentioned in this video, I'll leave links to all of them in the description down below. You can go ahead and check them out. If you found value in today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It does help me out. Also subscribe if you are new here and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch this video right here if you want to create your very own e-commerce website. It's a helpful resource for beginners like you to get started by watching it. So go ahead and watch it and I'll see you inside.